Hi, my name is Ken Lau. How a professional IT trainer do train things differently. Now, for example, before the training, how do I maximize that virtual session is that I will give my participants some pre-work or assignment. Example, in my Microsoft Excel VBA class, I will send them a video on how to record a macro. Okay, so I ask them to to watch it and to do some work with it. So in that way, I can engage the participants. I even can ask them to form a group to do discussions. Now that is how I help my clients to maximize their virtual sessions. I see you in my next professional trainer tips. Thank you.